Today we're going to do a little review of the Smart Kit iFly Smart. So this has 8 anti-septic hair wipes, 1 head rest cover, 1 pair of gloves, and 2 face. So let's open it. Now that it's open, by the way, this was $4.99 at my local grocery store. They just came out with these new packs. So let's get into it. First, I pulled out this headrest Fly Smart. I don't know what this is. Head cover. I guess this is a head cover. In the picture you can see it. Let's see what else there is. There is a pack of hair wipes. Then we got 2 of the face masks. They come wrapped separately, so that's what's in there. Then it comes with 2 pairs of gloves. And you got a $5 off card with the gel pack. So that's all you get in it. This was $5, and these are sold at Stop & Shop for $4.99. So if you guys are interested, go check your local Stop & Shop. This is a review of this Smart Kit.